Hello! Well, I thought I'd get a ride out today while the weather's fine and we've got a bit of sunshine. It's cold though, it is cold. I've got the heated grips on, so yeah. Yeah, anyway, we're going to be having a ride to the Roaches in the Peak District. I tried to do it a while back and got stuck behind a wide load who was doing the same route, and it was terrible tailbacks. So I ended up stopping for a brew and heading back again. So I thought I'd do the trip today, as it's reasonably pleasant. As you can see up ahead, we're just heading into the area of the Roaches. I'll see if I can remember where to turn off, because I want to go over that way, yeah, over that side. But yeah, it's been a horrible road, this one has. It's terrible at the moment for roadworks, and I didn't record it because it's just boring. Roadworks, traffic lights, yeah, I've got to turn off here somewhere now. Bottom of this bank, if I remember. Probably go whizzing past the turning and end up having to turn round. Upper Hume. No, that's it. This is the one. It's been a while since I've been up here actually, so I think we go up there. Tea rooms. I saw the sign for tea rooms. Crikey, there's more holes in this road than a blooming sieve. I think this is the road. If it isn't, we'll just turn around and go back down the other one. Yep, obviously not. There's a waterfall there, look. Pleasant little village, isn't it? Didn't see the tea rooms though. They're there somewhere. It has warmed up a little bit from when I first set off. I mean, it's okay when you're in the sunshine, but you're getting that shade. You know, you can feel the temperature drop. Yeah, we're there. We're here. Well, a part of the Roaches. Look, we've got a view there of them. If I can pull up down here where all the cars park, look, and I'll well, we can go for a little walk over the field. I'm not hiking up the rocks. I think I parked here last time, or was it just round the corner? No, it was round the corner. further up there I parked, so we'll go around that way. But yeah, got a nice view of them there. I don't know whether I can pick it up on the camera. The Roaches. I mean, there are pathways that take you over the top, you know. Okay, I think we'll go back down and find a better place to park down there. Get a different view with the rock formation from here as well. I think I'm going to park here, you know, right on the end here. Room for a little one. Then we can have a look round and hopefully get into the field and have a bit of a walk. Right, I've had a bit of a wander around. Time to start making tracks again. If I see that tea room, I'll call in, otherwise we'll just carry on by. Not looking forward to that road back, I tell you. It's a horrible road. Could go a different way. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. Lovely little place to live though, isn't it? I mean, you're a bit cut off, and it's very bleak in the winter. I have been along this road of an evening in the winter, and the mist comes down. But yeah, we'll get quite a bit of snow up here, so maybe it's not the best place to live. Lovely in the summer. Now this is where the Winking Man resides. I think it's coming from the other way, really. It's one of these protrusions. I have a feeling it's that one in the centre there. But we'll have a look from the other way. Or it could be that one up there, actually. That looks a bit like a head, doesn't it? But it changes as you drive past, doesn't it? So, right, we go this way. Can we see the Winking Man? Can't see him. Maybe it's from further back down the road. Anyway, we've seen them rocky outcrops. I've actually got the pub further down there. It's actually called the Winking Man. If you see him, let me know. Oh, we didn't get to the tea rooms. There's always a chance I could stop somewhere on the way back. Just started to cloud over a little bit actually. It's alright. No rain clouds, just covering the sun up at the moment. Yep, well, we found a cafe. Been here before actually. It's like a farm, working farm with farm shop and cafe, so can I sneak a little one in here? I think so. My fuel gauge is flashing. Should be okay. Should be enough to get me back. Yeah, let's go and have a brew. Right, all done. That was well needed, that was. Ready for that. Right, start heading home and get some fuel. It has been very cloudy over that way. Should be okay. And go the right way. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video of our trip out to the Roaches, and until next time, thanks for watching.